a valuable thing in the household. 7 ways to use paper towels with maximum benefit. There is definitely a paper towel in the kitchen of every housewife. We use it to rub our hands without even knowing why else it might come in handy. 1. When fried foods sucked in too much fat. Just wrap the dish in paper and leave for a few minutes. Even when it comes to hot dishes, it will prove useful here. Just wrap an ice cube in a towel and swipe it over the surface of the dish. 2. The process of washing the stove and microwave can be significant. Typically, housewives first moisten contaminated surfaces, then apply funds to them, and then wash it thoroughly with a rag. With paper towels, things will go faster, because they will split in a couple of movements and pollution, and absorb all the foam. 3. In the house there is always a fragile thing which will require additional storage. Just wrap it in a paper towel. Even if you need several layers, it will still be cheaper than buying a new thing. 4. When cleaning in the bathroom and toilet, we often work with caustic chemistry, which is then difficult to completely wash out of rags. To save yourself from storing not the most sterile and safe fabrics, you should use paper towels instead of them, which are not a pity to send to the bin after cleaning with them. 5. If you need to quickly filter coffee or broth, then paper towels will come in handy again. Just one piece of paper will certainly cope with the task and leave all unnecessary particles on it. 6. With paper towels, wonderful products are obtained for developing the creative skills of the child. A little imagination and you can turn the paper together into a flower, a grandmother, or butterflies. 7. Lovers of summer cottages will need paper towels in the spring, when the time comes for soaking the seeds. Typically, seed is wrapped in gauze, but paper for these purposes is much better, and working with it is faster. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.